Good afternoon, everyone. This is Carrie Duran, your Legislative Liaison for Lakes Region Community Services. I hope you're all having a great Tuesday, January 21st. Today, I was here at the State House attending many hearings on many different kinds of bills. One of the ones that I wanted to bring to your attention is House Bill 1687. It is relative to video and audio surveillance on special education buses. This law would require that all school districts within the state would have to have this kind of surveillance equipment on all special education buses. And I wanted to know what your thoughts were about this bill and if I can answer any questions for you. So please do not hesitate to contact me at carrie.duran@lrcs.org, and I'm happy to answer any of your questions. So stay informed and follow these videos and reach out with any questions that you have. I look forward to working with you. Have a great day. Bye.